Hello friends! Thank you so much for choosing to check in with me today. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Emily and I am a wife and stay-at-home mama to a little toddler boy. Today's video is all about catching up on my to-do list and keeping my life somewhat organized. I don't know about you, but I feel like things all of a sudden pile up and then I need to spend a full day catching up just to get through the rest of the week. That day always seems to be Wednesday for me, so that's right, today is another catch-up day Wednesday. I plan on posting this type of video every single week, so be sure to check back in next week if you enjoy this type of content. That's going to be all from me for now. I'll be popping in every so often in the audio of this video to make a comment or two, but for now, welcome once again and enjoy the video. You guys, I used to hate changing my son's crib sheets. I would always put it off because it was honestly just such a frustrating task and it would make me really annoyed. But one day I thought to balance the mattress on one of the corners of the crib like I'm doing here, and it honestly makes the process so much easier. So if you haven't tried that yet, I highly recommend it. I am in need of a little bit of help here. So if there's any mamas or dads out there watching, please leave your suggestions below if you've had a situation similar to this. So as you can see in that previous clip, we are still using crib bumpers for my son, and he is 20 months old. He keeps getting his legs and his arms caught, and he wears a sleep sack, and I have the crib bumpers up, but that is not helping. He's getting caught several times a week, and it wakes me up in the middle of the night. It's obviously terrifying for him. So if anyone has any suggestions on what I could try, please leave those in the comments below. I would be so grateful for any suggestions. Thank you. Okay friends, I am very curious about something. I would love to know down below in the comments how you go about doing your dishes throughout the day. Do you do your dishes as needed, or do you only do them once at the end of the day? I wish I was the type of person that could wait till the end of the day to do all of my dishes, but nope, I can't do it. I cannot look at them sitting there. It will drive me nuts and I'll be thinking about them until I go and do them. I end up doing dishes, I think, about 6 to 7 times a day. I pretty much after every single meal I do them, and then after my son's snack I do them. So that adds up to pretty much like 6 or 7 times. So I would love to know from you, are you the same as me? You just kind of do them as needed or around meal times? or do you do them once at the end of the day? Let me know down in the comments below. Do I have any fellow meal preppers out there? If so, I would love to know from you. What is your favorite food or meal that you prep during the week? And do you just prep for yourself, or do you also prep for your kids? Let me know down below. A lot of the foods that I prep on a weekly basis are for my son, but I do have some meal prep that I complete for myself as well. As you can see here, I am slow cooking some kabocha squash, and I cook it and then freeze it, and then I put those in my morning smoothies. And as well as the sweet potato that you saw earlier, I steam those and then freeze them and then put those in my smoothies. My son is so funny. He's 20 months old, if you didn't hear that earlier. But he is not picky at all when it comes to vegetables. He loves, like as you can see here, carrots, peas, green beans. He likes cauliflower. He likes broccoli. But he is so picky when it comes to fruit. I don't get it. It blows my mind. He only really likes red grapes and bananas. If it's in a smoothie, he'll have pretty much whatever. But if it is on his plate, kiwi, nope. Green grapes, nope. Mandarin oranges, nope. Pear, no. Apple, no. I just don't get it. I mean, I guess it's a blessing that he's more picky about fruit than vegetables. But I'm just curious, is anyone else's child like that? my gosh, folding all this laundry took forever. I think it was close to about an hour that it took me to fold these 3 loads. My husband did help, thankfully, but it was, oh my gosh, not fun. I've been trying to do laundry more often so as to avoid folding 3 loads at a time, but I've kind of been failing at that. I was trying to do laundry every single day, just 1 load a day, and that was working for a while, and now it's up to Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, something like that, and I totally failed this week. So that's why I was so behind on laundry and I had to do 3 or 4 loads in a day, and it was not fun, and it very much reminded me why I try to do laundry more often. So I'm making it a goal for myself to try to do laundry at least 3 days a week. So wish me luck on that. Okay friends, as we are coming to a close, I want to thank you so much for watching. I know there are millions of videos you could rather be watching on YouTube, as well as doing a million other things besides watching any YouTube, so it means the world that you are choosing to hang out with me. If you enjoyed any part of this video or found it helpful, motivating, or interesting, would you please give it a thumbs up and be sure to check back in next week for another catch-up day Wednesday. Take care. Bye.